This is Dan with Good Made Better, here to give you a brief overview of the Penwell Clip. The Clip is an accessory we designed to go along with our Penwell Traveler, which is our most mobile Penwell that you can take with you. It comes with a little carry case, but you still need a hard surface to use it. The Clip alleviates that and allows you to take it with you on your notebook if you're going to be going outside, if you're going to be moving around the office, the house, and you want your pen kept secure, but you specifically want to be using a very certain pen that has a cap that requires you to be careful with it. If you're that person, you know what I'm talking about. The Clip has a tape hinge on the top. It's a clear hinge. It's the same footprint as the Traveler base itself. You simply press it on there just like you would any writing surface. Normally, once it's in place, it's good to go. And you're going to want to fix it to your notebook. If you have a thin cover on the back, you could probably just fix it right to that. If you have a hard cover, something thicker, you generally just take a few pages out of the back. I don't know, maybe half a dozen or so. Open the Penwell Clip, it's magnetic. Position it where you want it on those pages. Put your pen in. You're good to go. So if you're going to be outside, you have a notebook on your lap, you have one hand holding that, you have one hand on your pen, you don't have to find a way to keep that cap in place. And if you're dealing with an expensive pen, that's pretty handy. But it works on pretty much any notebook simply because you can just clip it to the back pages. Get something heavier like this, same thing, back pages. Some notebooks you're probably going to be able to clip it right through the back pages. Position it at the top, position it at the side, wherever it's most convenient for you. Once it's in place though, it's pretty strong. So again, that's an accessory for our Penwell Traveler. They are purchased separately, but it makes a handy tool a little bit handier.